Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about our chapter 1 in our new subject, social. What is our subject name? Social. Last week, we discussed about a solar system, no? In that same subject, we are going to discuss about our chapter 1. Take a pencil, children. What is our chapter 1? Universe and the earth. What is our chapter 1? Universe and the earth. Before getting into our lesson, put today's date. What is the today's date? 3/7/2020. Put today's date. Okay. Then, what is a topic? Universe and the earth. Underline the topic. Universe and the earth. What are all the important points I am underlining in here? That one you want to underline in your book also. Yes. What is the first one? What is the first topic? Universe. What is the universe here? The universe is a huge. Huge means it is very big in size and endless expansion of millions and millions of stars with the heavenly bodies. Millions and millions of stars with heavenly bodies which are known as galaxies. The universe is very big and endless. It does not have end. What are all the things it consists of? Millions and millions of stars with heavenly bodies. It is known as collectively, this one is called as galaxies. Children, look at the sky. During the daytime and nighttime, many things you can able to observe, no? Yes. During the daytime, how it looks like? The sky looks blue in color. Blue or black? The sky looks blue in color with clouds. But actually, it is not blue. In fact, the sky around the earth is just a vast space. Vast means huge space. Just now I told you, no? Vast means huge space. The earth is surrounded by the layers of gases. Our earth is surrounded by layers of gases. Again, I am repeating. During daytime, the sky looks blue in color with the collection of clouds. Why it is blue in color? The earth is surrounded by the layers of gases. The earth is surrounded by layers of gases called atmosphere. What it is called as? Atmosphere. In the sky, we see the sun during the daytime. Yes or no? You can able to see the sun only at daytime, no? Yes, sun during the daytime. And at night, what are all the things you can able to see? Stars and moons in the dark and a clear night. Just now I told you, no? Vast means what I told you? Very huge and broad. Vast means very huge and broad. Here, what is the next one? Space and the earth. What is the next one? Space and the earth. In the universe, it is very big. Just now I told you. In that universe, our earth is a tiny part. Tiny means very small. While comparing with the universe, our earth is a tiny part of the galaxy called, what is our galaxy name? Akash Ganga or Milky Way. What is our galaxy name called? Akash Ganga. Akash Ganga or Milky Way. In the universe, our earth is a small part of the galaxy. In the galaxy, it is a very small part. What is the other name of our galaxy? Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Including our earth, the sun and the moon and the stars are called celestial bodies. What is a celestial body? These things collectively called as celestial bodies, including our earth, sun, the moon and the stars are called celestial bodies. Here was very huge and broad. Celestial body, heavenly body. Celestial body, heavenly body. Shall we go for next one? Children, you all well known about the solar system. How many planets you can able to see in our solar system? 8. Yes, very good. Our Earth is also one of the planet in our solar system. Yes, from the Sun, the third one is our Earth. Our Earth is one of the planets of the solar system which revolves around the Sun on a fixed path. It revolves around the Sun. In this, while explaining the solar system itself, I told you all the planets that revolve around the Sun. In the same way, our Earth also revolves around the Sun in a fixed path, which with its natural satellite. What is that? With its natural satellite, Moon. Moon is the one and only natural satellite. Moon is the only one natural satellite. The Earth completes its rotation in 20 hours. One day equal to 24 hours. Yes, the Earth takes 24 hours to complete its one rotation. Understood, children, all of you? All of you underlining the important points or not? Yes. Shall we go for next one? What is the next topic? The stars. You all well known about the stars and you are all interested because it is a twinkling object in the sky. In the dark night, millions of stars twinkle in the sky. In fact, the stars are huge heavenly bodies, much bigger than our Earth. It is also bigger than our Earth. Why it looks very small? They are very far away from us, so they look small in size. Stars also very big in size, but it is very far from us, no? So it looks small. The stars are huge balls of hot burning gases. The stars are also made up of hot burning gases. The stars have their own heat and light like the sun. It also have their own heat and light like the sun. You all know only sun, it is a hot ball of fire. But in this lesson we are reading about the stars. The stars also have their own heat and light like the sun. Our sun is also a star. Our sun is also a star. Here, children, here you are having one image, stars in the sky at clear night. Okay, what is this? This is called telescope. What is this called? Telescope. We use a telescope to observe stars and celestial bodies in the space and other distant objects from the earth. To see the distant object from the earth. For this one, we are using the telescope to observe the distant object from the earth. Constellation. What is our next topic? Constellation. It is nothing but we can see many group of stars of different patterns in the sky. For example, in the morning time, you can able to see the clouds, It looks like some images, lion, tree, human face, like that you can able to observe. In the same way, we can see many group of stars in different patterns in the dark night, which are called constellation. Example is Great Bear. What is this called? Great Bear. You can able to see patterns, pattern of stars here, That is called constellation. Next one, Polaris, a pole star. In the dark night, we can see a very bright star. You can able to see one bright star. It looks a little bit bigger than the other stars. It will be different from other one, and also it looks like yellowish in color. In the dark night, we can see a very bright star in the north direction. In which direction? North direction, which is known as pole star. You can able to see the star. It will be different in size and color also. Always it will be in north direction, which is known as pole star. The next one is the sun and the solar system. You all well known about this one. The sun is the star. Just now I told you the sun is also a star nearest to our earth. Nearest to our earth. It is a round, huge ball of fire. It is a round, The sun is it looks round and huge ball of fire. Yes, here huge ball of fire and also hot burning gases. The sun, it is very hot, no? Yes, hot burning gases. Next, it is the center of the solar system. Next to sun only. See here, you can able to see here sun. It is the center part. You can able to see the remaining planets of the solar system. Sun is the center part. What are all the things we are getting from the sun? Heat, light and energy. Heat, light and energy. One can use the solar energy wisely for different purposes such as cooking, lighting, heating water, moving machines, cars, etc. Solar cooker used for cooking, and then solar energy we are used as for lighting, then heating water, then moving machines and cars. This is a solar cooker. With the help of this you can cook. In the same way, the remaining parts, the remaining things we can use with the help of our solar energy. Shall we go for next one? Where we are getting the solar energy? From sun. What is this? Solar system. What is this? Solar system. In the space, the sun, the planets, the satellites and asteroids. Asteroids are nothing but pieces of rocks and dust. Asteroids are nothing but pieces of rocks and dust. All together form the solar system with sun at their center. In the space, what are all the things you can able to see in our space? Sun, the planets, their satellites and asteroids. Next, all the planets with their satellites move or revolve around the sun at different distances and different speeds. They are revolving around the sun with different distance and speed. Here you can able to see one fact. The sun rays reach the earth in 8 minutes. It takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. The sun's rays take 8 minutes to reach our earth. What is the next one? Yes, here solar system. I told you, no, all the planets with their satellites move or revolve around the sun at different distance and speed. Different distance and speed in a fixed elliptical path. How they are moving? In their own path. Each and this is this planet path, Venus. This one Earth. This one Mars. This one Jupiter, this one Saturn, and this one is Uranus, and this one is Neptune. Each and every planet have its fixed elliptical path. What is that called? Orbit. What is that called? Orbit. They also rotate by themselves. There are 8 planets that go around the sun. They are, you all well known, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune. What is the next one? Earth, a living planet. Earth is the only planet where the living things can survive. The Earth is the third nearest planet from the sun, which rotates on its axis in, what is its axis? West to east direction. What is the direction? West to east direction once in 24 hours. This movement is known as rotation of the Earth. Again I am repeating, the Earth is the third nearest planet from the sun. Rotation on its axis, what is its direction? West to east. How much time it will take? 24 hours. What is this called? Rotation of Earth. Besides rotation, our Earth goes around the sun in 365 and quarter days. That means it takes 1 year. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. Rotation of the Earth means it takes 24 hours. Revolution It takes 365 and quarter days, that is 1 year. This movement of the earth is called revolution. Here you are having some key points. Solar energy, radiant energy emitted by the sun. Energy we are getting from the sun is solar energy. Satellite, a heavenly or artificial body revolving around a planet. Heavenly or artificial body. What is the one and only natural satellite of the earth? Our moon. Okay children, I think you all understood. Shall we go into the homework part now? This is our today's homework. These are very hard words. You just practice it, read it and write it. You must read and write. Have you all understood children? You must read it and write. Practice it first. What is the first one? Universe. What is that? Universe. U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E. Universe. What is the next one? Heavenly bodies. Heavenly. You all know the spelling for heaven, no? The same way. H-E-A-V-E-N. Heaven. Lee. L-Y. Lee. Bodies. B-O-D-I-E-S. Bodies. The third one is galaxies. G-A-L-A-X-I-E-S. Galaxies. The next one, atmosphere. Atmosphere. A-T at M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Atmosphere. Akash Ganga. A-K-A-S-H. Akash. G-A-N-G-A. Ganga. Akash Ganga. Milky Way. M-I-L-K-Y. Milky. W-A-Y. Way. Milky Way. Celestial bodies. C-E-L-E-S-T-I-A-L. Celestial bodies. B-O-D-I-E-S. Bodies. Constellation. C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Constellation. Class satellites. S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E-S. Satellites. Again I am repeating. First one, universe, heavenly bodies, galaxies, atmosphere, Akash Ganga, Milky Way, celestial bodies, constellation, satellites. Yes, what is our today's homework? This one you want to read and as well as you want to write in your homework note. Okay children, see you in the next class. Thank you.